Speaker sir, calling attention to Oleta, I think we should not take a simple view of only one project of Unity Mall at this site. As claimed by government, there is another massive project bigger than Unity Mall called Prashasan Stambh is coming up at this site. As government selected the exact site for that, if we shift all government offices from Panjim to this building, once it comes out, it will result in massive presence of persons with not only government staff but all citizens will have to visit this place. Has the government started this load of the Unity Mall visitors? As per the submission that was made to SEIAA for environment clearance, what is coming part of the Unity Mall itself is shocking. The Unity Mall is not only having shops and halls, but it is also coming up with 4 massive multiplexes. What is the purpose of these multiplexes? Is Inox screen also being shifted there? Will IFA be shifted there? Because there is need to ensure that no further development allowed in this area and further stop the environment damage. Hence, the Unity Mall should be scrapped.